Stop trying to play alpha, fam. Stop all that nonsense, gang. You want to be that man, right? You want women to chase you? You want to walk in the rooms and watch the whole place go quiet because the man just entered? You want to focus like a shark. You want to be the man that people want to share their dreams and visions with because they know deep down you're the one who makes things come to pass. Women will never speak over you, nor disrespect you. So you're asking, how do I become like that? I'll tell you, but first let me tell you this. The reason why so many men aren't like that, why most men stay invisible, is because they don't want to do the work, gang. Let me tell you this, all those things are the rewards, and the requirements, a lot. I'm not gonna give you the same basic level advice everybody else gives. I'm gonna speak to you like my homie, gang. Real facts. Everyone has perceived value. What's this alpha man? Let me tell you what a man is, gang. It's someone who answers to God and God alone. You walk with confidence, not pride or arrogance, because you know one man with God can defeat an entire army. You will not let women derail your path. You will not let sex put you in a chokehold. Listen, fam. First thing, cut social media, fam. And stop watching all these series and movie shows that ain't even moving you forward, fam. And you asking why? Gang, because it's giving you an impression of what real life should be. It only shows highlights. Life ain't like that, G. All these hustle movies or love stories, they never show true life, only a small depiction. And you watching them thinking, okay, so I need a dope apartment, I need a car, yet you don't even have 100,000 stacked up. Bro, yes, look after yourself, but stop expecting to waste money on things that aren't gonna benefit you long term. Save your money, G. I am not saying I don't like to get myself maybe Jordans or maybe have a nice whip, yes sir, but everything has a time and you must plan, or that item will enjoy you instead of you enjoying it. The next thing, stop chasing women. Stop trying to force things that can't be forced. Let me tell you something. There's a saying, work on your garden and the butterflies will come. I know, we all want that girl. We all want that connection. It's just, when things are forced, it usually attracts the wrong things. The best things happen naturally. Even if you talk to women, gang, don't try to force things or just keep things romantic. Hence why I hate social media dating advice. It makes women and people seem like they ain't humans, gang. People are like you and me, so treat people like people. The way you treat your siblings, your friends, that's how you treat the girl you like. This is one of the reasons I made the Playboys Playbook, mainly to help guys become undeniable men. Having multiple sections on how to approach, how to text, and mainly just be that grounded guy without having to be toxic. You feel me? The next thing, bro, you gotta stop existing and start living, fam. And no, you don't need a 15,000 trip to Bali for that. And hey, that'll be dope, but come on, G. We need to find blessings in the small things, which is our health. We have a home. You might have parents that love you. You have a job that provides. Yeah, it ain't the greatest, but you can pull the weight and help, G. And you have a side hustle that ain't making a lot, but at least you making something. If you're gonna pressure yourself, you will burn out. Yes, work hard. Yes, don't listen to your feelings or mood, but you can't pour from an empty cup. You need to build yourself every day. For me, I personally like spending time with God, going on walks, drawing, writing my thoughts, just to get disconnected from the world a bit. The next, fam, you gotta control your temptations. It's hard, gang. Really hard. For me personally, it was women, to a point where I'll always have a girl in my space. And it's easy sitting there thinking, oh, it's easy. Having that temptation right in your face, especially when you're young, ain't easy. But I'm learning and working towards it. Like you have things you dealing with, or the next guy. But fam, what I'll say is, if you indulge in your temptations, it won't hurt you now. It will affect you later. And by the time you open your eyes, you realize, oh damn, I'm hooked. That's why you really need to disconnect from the world at times and fill your own cup with things that won't affect you. Hence, even personally, I don't drink, smoke, or any of that. Like gang, I'm someone who can get addicted to things easily, and I'll never risk it. All what I'm saying is, fam, you need to ask yourself, what is making me actually hate waking up or ruining my energy most times? Most times it's porn. It's giving energy to bad people. It's indulging in all these substances. Work on cutting it out, fam, but you need to replace it with things that are better, like gymming, leveling your mind, trying new things, fam. And before you say gymming is hard, Seeing as when we were kids, playing and moving our body, we never said we going to the slide or monkey bars. We were just excited to play and we played, fam. So that's the same. Like fam, don't get me wrong, I take life serious, but I love tapping into my inner child and just enjoying life. In most cases, that energy leaks on other people. And even if you with people, I ain't saying be positive SpongeBob. I'm saying just stop being negative. Like gang, I swear if we can all just cut social media use, most of us would become so interesting human beings. Like damn, bro, it's sad to say, but it's really ruining lives. It's like a legal drug, homies. Even personally, like I use Instagram for biz, but I want to lean more on YouTube cause Instagram sometimes is like porn, fam. And I have a homie, gang, who works as an OnlyFans producer. I don't support porn or the industry, and it's like these guys, they target lonely guys who spend so much on these OnlyFans women. Some even spend their life savings for a girl they see on video, and guess what their main marketing channel is? Instagram. So Instagram can mess your brain up. Even TikTok, so rather be a creator, not a consumer. Even rather read a book instead of just mindless scrolling. It feeds your mind. Like I see so many videos where people are joking about porn and like it's normal, gang. That ain't it, fam. It ain't normal. Yeah, as guys we hormonal, no doubt. But we making it a normal thing. It ain't, brother. Okay, getting back to being an undeniable man. It's by doing the things most men refuse to do. Working on weekends, grinding on that side hustle, looking after your family, and being around people that's good for you. And yes, fam, you can do both. But only keep people around you that uplift you and match your energy. And if there's no one good right now, then focus on yourself until God brings you those right people. So keep going, gang. Keep showing up. Show God He created a soldier that people won't mess with, even when it comes to women. And you say, Ajay, okay, so let's say I do want a relationship. Personally, I'll say this. Talk to women and get to know them. Keep it light. Ask them what they doing or what they enjoying doing. Never lead with money or what you have. Don't just compliment looks. Compliment their outfit, their makeup, or their hair. Small things. But here's the important part. Keep your voice calm and slow. Look her in the eyes. And setting is everything. If you with friends and the girl is there in the group, yes. But if the setting ain't right, like she's a cashier, yeah, you can talk to her, but bro, some people just want to get through their job or their day. But hey, anything can happen. I'm just saying what works for me. But I drop way more in the Playboys Playbook, fam. It's deeper, it's got way more sauce. Practical steps on how to approach that girl, how to be that man, and how to work on your mind. I wish I had this early. It's for all ages. Even if you an OG, we all need to freshen our skills sometimes. Check the link in the description. I gave a sneak peek first cause we homies, cause I know most of y'all rock with me. And the ones who don't, go watch Teletubbies. So in conclusion, fam, if some of y'all enjoyed this sauce, if you felt what I was saying, if you agree with me and you standing with me, then feel free to join the Homeboys community. This is a place where we regain our focus in every area of life. We speak truth, we hold each other accountable, we share real daily advice, we give encouragement, but most importantly, we take action. So if you're ready to level up with real ones, click the link in the description right now and join the family. Much love, fam. Keep going strong. I believe in you. Let's build.